Hey, what's up you guys, RJ here. So, I'm hooking up a TV for my grandmother's room. And you can see her bed's really messy because we had to take everything off the things behind the door. So, yeah, it's a lot of work. What's up?
Do this.
What? What are you saying?
No,
oh, you fixed it? I guess not. Hey, it's fixed. Yay, it's working.
Don't fix it.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, Daddy.
It's a lot of work we had to do in here. What? No. Oh, wait, yeah. I'm kidding. Don't sell fireworks on Veterans Day.
What happened to Columbus Day?
Veterans Day. He's talking about Veterans Day, Dad.
No, I just say if they celebrate fireworks.
You're saying weird stuff, you know, Lawrence?
Oh!
Ah! Okay. Get you off the bed.
Oh. Hey, look at myself. Look, I'm dancing. Oh, I'm dancing. Oh. This is LJ and AJ Big Hand. Oh. Oh.
Not literally.
So watch this.
I'm telling you, there's something wrong with the back yellow wire.
Yeah, you need something like ABC. ABCD. Okay.
It's not working so well.
How are you working? It works?
That works? Okay, it works.
Thank you.
Victory!
Let me do mine.
Okay, guys.
Don't move up them thing there now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so, that's about it. Because we fixed the TV for my grandmother's room. Because the old TV that's right over there that I showed you is not working so well. So we had to put this big old TV in this room.
That was our TV back in
And once again, the bed's all messed up. It's like it's been a robbery in here. It's like a robbery.
Nobody ever loves you.
Well, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed my RJ WWE theme song, Shell Shock, because I made it differently. You guys might see the old one back in the year in 2013 or 14, I don't know. But yeah. And Chill, she's still getting fixed for Legendary Spiral, the video I'll be showing you. So anyway, if you guys like this video, put the thumbs up button down below, comment and subscribe, and make sure you will have a greatest Veterans Day, because I'm not doing anything for Veterans Day, but what's the use? So anyway, oh yeah, he has a army shirt on, sweater. What's good on him? So, that's about it. See you guys later. RJ out.